Dear petrol heads, here is an opportunity to do what you love and make a profession out of it. That is refurbished classic and luxury cars business. Along with an after-sales set-up service center as well, which will ensure that you have happy customers which will just grow in future. We consult in franchise consultation on buying cars, selling cars via live leads which are generated through SEO and SEM. Also, we provide customer care service after sales which will advise on repair and maintenance. We want to bring the car industry together and offer the following: multi-brand sales with service, buyback guarantee, intercity business networking, RTO paperwork consulting, rate discussion before buying, parts availability, digital marketing, online lead generation, CRM for client data management. So call now 7500 800 333. Bespoke Cars.